To my classmates, Angela, Christine, Ace, Camille, Erica, Eugene, Lorena, at Anthony, Alvin, CJ, Crisal, Joms, Kiana, Ken, Marielle, and Mia. Thank you for your continued support and assistance, especially in helping me pass through various challenges when I didn't have enough time. Your willingness to lend a hand and provide encouragement has meant a lot to me. Together, we've overcome obstacles and shared memorable moments that I will always cherish. You have shown me that college life is not about I, but about we. To Ate Roch and Jovelyn, I wanted to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude for your unwavering support throughout this journey. Thank you for always being behind my back. My college life wouldn't have been bearable without you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being there when I needed it most.